There is a fish that draws anglers from all over the country to this one place. March through April, these fish move up the Maumee River from Lake Erie to spawn. A fish they say takes 1,000 casts to catch. I'll be lucky to just catch one. The sucker wasn't the fish I was after, but it broke the line before I could get a picture. Just about every cast I made, I'd get caught on rocks and I'd have to break off another rig. With the current pushing the bait into the rocks, it would feel like a bite, but then I'd go to set the hook and it would turn out to just be another rock. I was running out of time and I was running out of rigs. I was starting to think that maybe I could not catch this elusive fish after all. Rigs kept getting caught in the rocks, and before I knew it, I was on my last one.
Alright, you're rolling.
Alright, so we got our first walleye here. It's my first walleye ever. We got it during the Maumee River walleye run. What is that rig called? It's a
Carolina rig.
Carolina rig. I guess it's just a Carolina rig with a floating jig head. That's what we got them on. All right. All right. Well, I'm walking back through the woods. It's been a little bit of a tough couple days on the Maumee River. I went out yesterday, didn't catch a thing. I watched people catch walleye all around me, so that was pretty frustrating, and it was nice to finally get my first one today. It was a grind for sure, but eventually got that one. And I don't know if you guys saw it on the camera, but I got it was a big sucker that bit my jig for whatever reason. But that one actually put up quite a bit of a fight. The walleye don't really put up much of a fight. But anyway, I'm gonna head back through the woods and I'll see you guys in a minute. All right, made it through the woods. Now I gotta find a good place to cross here.